Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will guide you through how to change the background color to white in the TradingView mobile application. So let's get started. First, open your TradingView app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the chart tab at the bottom. Now locate the gear icon to open the chart settings. Scroll down and tap on more settings. Now tap the back arrow in the top left corner. This will take you to the main settings menu. Here tap on canvas. Under the background section, you will see options like solid or gradient. Tap on solid. And just beside the background, there's a color box. Tap on it and select white as your background color. Once you have picked white, tap anywhere outside and then tap OK. And your chart now has a clean white background, and that's how you switch your TradingView background to white using your phone in 2025. It's great for screenshots, printing charts, or just keeping things minimal. If you found this video helpful, tap like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And do let me know in the comments if you prefer dark mode or white background when analyzing charts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.